every now and then our parent theme is going to want to be updated. So this is why we use a child theme and a parent theme, so that when we do go to update our parent theme with all the security updates and all the performance updates that the theme creator is releasing, our customizations to our website are safely stored in our child theme, and we can safely update our parent theme without overriding our customizations in the child theme. So we're going to get a notification just like this, and also we'll get notifications up in the dashboard in the updates area. This is more of a general overview of all the things that require updates, but it also lists our themes here too, and we can also update from here too, no problem. So let's go back. So just to confirm that when we click our child theme is the active theme, and when we click the theme we get more information, and it says this is a child theme of Divi. So, and Divi is the one requiring the update, so we can safely update the parent. Okay, so that's updated, and so now we're running the latest version of Divi with all the security features or whatever was updated on the theme. And if we go visit the front end of the site, it should look as expected. Yeah, that looks as expected. No problems there. So I've just, now it's saying that there's another update available, but I know that's not true because I've just updated it. So what we do in this situation is just give the screen a refresh. I like to hold down Shift and refresh, and that will clear out any caching there. So just make sure you are seeing the latest version, and every now and then give your screen a refresh when required. Important to note is that there should never be update notifications for your child theme, so you won't need to worry about that. And during the update process, notice that we never changed the active theme. The active theme was always the child.